Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk Fluent Daily, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Nora, and today we are talking about something very simple, very useful, and very powerful: your morning routine. Yes, your morning routine can help you improve your English every single day. But first, let me ask you something. Do you ever say this? I will study English later, or I will practice tonight, or I will start on Monday. I know, we all say this. But then night comes and we are tired. The weekend comes and it is busy, and later never comes. But here's the good news: the morning always comes. Every single day you wake up, and that is your chance to practice English just a little every single morning. And the secret? You do not need extra time. You do not need a textbook. You do not need a classroom. You just add English to things you already do. Simple, small, beautiful habits. Today, I have 5 tips for you. 5 morning habits to improve your English every day. Each one takes less than 5 minutes, and you can start tomorrow morning. But before we begin, if you enjoy this podcast, please click the like button, subscribe to Talk Fluent Daily, and share this episode with a friend. It helps us so much, and we love our listeners. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Tip number 1. I call it name it. When you wake up, open your eyes, look around your room, and start naming things in English. Just point and say the word. That's all. Look at your bed. Say bed. Look at the window. Say window. Look at your phone. Say phone. Very simple, right? Let me try with you. Pillow, blanket, lamp, wall, door, ceiling. 5 seconds, 6 words, and your brain is already in English mode. English mode on, just like that. And you can make it a little bigger. Not just the word, say a short sentence. This is my pillow. The blanket is warm. The lamp is off. The window is open. Small sentences, but very natural. And every day, try to add 1 or 2 new words. Monday, you say pillow. Tuesday, you learn curtain. Wednesday, alarm clock. Thursday, nightstand. Friday, ceiling fan. Small words, but they add up. 1 new word every morning. In 1 month, 30 new words without studying, without a textbook, just by opening your eyes. I love that. Okay, tip number 2. I call this one mirror talk. You go to the bathroom, you brush your teeth, you wash your face. While you do that, look in the mirror and talk to yourself in English. I know, talk to myself? Yes, talk to yourself. No one is listening, no one is judging, just you and the mirror. Say what you will do today, your plans. Very simple sentences. Today, I will go to work. I have a meeting at 10. I will eat lunch with my friend. I will study English tonight. Let me try. Today, I will record a podcast. I will drink 2 cups of coffee. I will go for a walk in the evening. You see? 3 sentences, 10 seconds, and you just practiced the future tense. I will, I will, I will. You are not studying grammar, you are just talking about your day, but your brain is learning the pattern. And you can also say how you feel. I feel good today. I am a little tired. I am excited. I am ready. I feel good today. I am ready. I will do my best. Beautiful. And here is something very important. When you talk to yourself in English, you become more comfortable with your own voice. Many people are afraid to speak English, but if you practice alone first, speaking to others becomes easier. The mirror is your first conversation partner. Start there. Tip number 3. Breakfast English. When you eat breakfast, describe what you see, what you eat, what you feel. That's it. Look at your food. Say sentences about it. This coffee is hot. The bread is fresh. I am hungry this morning. I need more coffee. And each week, try a few new food words. This week, crispy, creamy, bitter, sweet, salty. Use them at breakfast. The toast is crispy. The yogurt is creamy. The coffee is bitter. The orange juice is sweet. I love it. And the best part, you'll remember these words because you use them while eating. Your brain connects the word to the taste, to the smell, to the moment, to the feeling of that warm cup of coffee in your hands. A word in a textbook, you forget it. A word you say while eating breakfast, you remember it. That's the magic of real life English. Breakfast English, my favorite class. Okay, tip number 4. 5 minutes listen. Before you leave the house, listen to something in English. Just 5 minutes. A podcast, a short video, even a song. 5 minutes, that's all. But here is the rule. Do not just listen, repeat. When you hear a sentence you like, pause and say it again. Copy the sound, copy the speed, copy the feeling. This is called shadowing, and it is one of the best ways to improve your pronunciation. You hear every day a little better. You repeat every day a little better. You hear keep practicing your English. You repeat keep practicing your English. And what if you do not understand everything? That is okay. You do not need to understand everything. Just listen for words you know. Repeat the sentences that sound good to you. Even one sentence is enough. One sentence every morning. In 1 week, 7 sentences. In 1 month, 30 sentences. And those sentences become part of you. You hear them in your head. You start using them without thinking. That is fluency. Not knowing everything, just using what you know. You can listen to this podcast, Talk Fluent Daily, or any English podcast you enjoy. The key is 5 minutes every morning. No excuses, not even on a Monday morning, especially not on a Monday morning. And finally, tip number 5. I call this one sentence out the door. Before you leave your house, before you step outside and start your day, say one sentence, one goal in English, like, today I will try my best, or today I will speak English at work, or today I will be brave, or today I will not be afraid to make mistakes. Say it, believe it, and then walk out the door. It's like a small promise to yourself in English, and your brain carries that sentence with you all day, like a small engine pushing you forward. Let me try. Today, I will speak English with confidence. Today, I will learn something new. Today, I will be kind to myself when I make mistakes. And at the end of the day, you can check. Did I do it? Did I follow my sentence? And if you did, you feel good. And if you did not, that's okay. You try again tomorrow. No pressure, no judgment, just one sentence every morning. So let me put all 5 tips together. Imagine it's tomorrow morning. You wake up. You open your eyes, you look around. Pillow, blanket, lamp, window. The morning is quiet. English mode on. Tip 1, name it, done. You go to the bathroom. You look in the mirror. Good morning, Nora. Today you will do great. You will practice English. You will be brave. Tip 2, mirror talk, done. You make breakfast, coffee, and toast. This coffee is hot and strong. The toast is crispy. I feel awake. I am ready. Tip 3, breakfast English, done. You put on your headphones. You listen to Talk Fluent Daily for 5 minutes. You hear, every day a little better. You repeat, every day a little better. Tip 4, 5-minute listen, done. You stand at your door, you take one breath, and you say, today I will speak English with confidence. Tip 5, one sentence out the door, done. You open the door and you go. 5 tips, less than 15 minutes total, and your brain is ready for English all day, every single morning. And that's the beauty of a routine. You don't need motivation every day, you just need the habit. The habit does the work for you, even when you're tired, even on a busy morning, even on a Monday. And one day, you won't need to think about it. English will just be part of your morning, like coffee, like brushing your teeth. Natural, easy, yours. Okay, let's review what we learned today. 5 morning habits to improve your English. Tip 1, name it. Open your eyes and name things around you. Tip 2, mirror talk. Talk to yourself about your plans for the day. Tip 3, breakfast English. Describe your food and feelings while you eat. Tip 4, 5-minute listen. Listen and repeat one sentence from a podcast or video. And tip 5, one sentence out the door. Say one goal in English before you leave. 5 tips, less than 15 minutes, and your English grows every day, every single morning. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for listening to Talk Fluent Daily. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, give it a like, and share it with a friend who is learning English. It means the world to me. And I have a question for you today. Leave a comment below and tell me, which tip will you try first tomorrow morning? Tip 1, name it. Tip 2, mirror talk. Tip 3, breakfast English. Tip 4, 5-minute listen. Or tip 5, one sentence out the door. I would love to read your answers. See you next time. Bye everyone, and keep practicing your English.